Thanks for tuning in. I'm the No Code Tech, and I got a package in the mail from Texas. And I really want to open it because I know what's in it, but I have a helper today. My daughter's going to help us open this. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, have at. Okay, thank you for helping me open that. We have packing peanuts, because you're a monster. Packing material. Ooh, some nice soldering tips. See, soldering. We have... Is there a packing peanut in there? Something else in here. More packing peanuts. Nice. Our soldering iron with a nice pointy tip on it. And a pluggy cord. I think this has the DIN. Yes, it does. So we don't need that. We also have, oh, look at this one. This is nice metal, not plastic. I like it. So that's very cool. And that's it in there like that. And the main attraction. Very well packaged. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whoa, let's take rid of that. Well, we'll fix that in post, okay? It's the Hakko 936 soldering station. So, with this, I'm gonna do a lot more fun projects. Okay, it's a couple of days later. I now have a silicon soldering mat with the magnet there to hold all your screws and stuffs. The soldering station itself, the Hakko, however you pronounce it, right? With that thing. And in the meantime, I've also picked up the Hakko something or other, I don't know the number, for the solder holder to hold the solder and, you know, pull the solder out as you need. I messed it up over there because I've never done this before, but that's okay. I have entirely, most probably, the wrong, what do you call this stuff? Flux? But, you know, all right. And it's not a milady, but some solder wick. So I'm good to start soldering. I want to say thank you to Mr. Ed Sai from the Toads Discord for helping me out and getting this to me. You're a great guy. I've used it a couple of times already. But yeah, thanks so much, Mr. Ed Sai. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.